to take the rapid fire with Nilesh Jain of Centrum Broking.
Thanks a lot, Hiral, for that. Good afternoon, Nilesh. It's always a pleasure to have you with us at NDTV Profit. We start our rapid fire round. An interesting small cap, Orient Pro Solutions here. Good volume momentum happening. Is there a trade to be made here, Nilesh?
Very good afternoon to you, Sharad. Good afternoon, everyone. If you see, Sharad, it has already surged 12%. So, first of all, the risk and reward is not favorable. But yes, the trend has turned positive. So, there could be a trade if at all you see any dip towards 860, 850. In that range, one can go down, keeping a stop loss below 830. There is a potential for this counter to move towards 950 to 980 in the near term.
Right, and after a long time, L&T is also buzzing in trade. Do you think this will sustain? Because this is just the starting from a consolidation phase. A little bit of positive momentum is coming in this counter.
A very good setup. In fact, we have seen a breakaway gap today. Kind of an inverse HNS pattern breakout also can be visible on the chart where the neckline got reached at 4100. So yes, there is a potential for this counter to move towards 4300 to 4400 in the near term. Looks good to accumulate on decline.
Right, three stocks, all of them are hitting their 52-week high levels. Apar Industries, Minda Corp and IFCI as well. Of course, IFCI has some stake in NSE also, and buzz in the street is about NSE's upcoming IPO. But out of these three stocks, which has a better technical setup right now, Nilesh?
Well, that would be IFCI. The reason being, we have seen a very good momentum recently. The counter has formed a kind of a rounding bottom pattern. So there is a trade to be made on declines. It can be added on dips for upside target of 94 to 96 in the near term, keeping a stop loss below 86. And apart from that, Minda Corp has a very good setup. It has also been a good breakout, so there could be a momentum trade for further upside towards 700 plus in the near term. So keeping a stop loss below 635, Minda Corp can also be bought on decline. But yes, having said that, Apar Industries is also looking strong with the recent momentum that we have seen. But fresh entry can only be taken on decline.
Right, Nilesh, what about sugar stocks? Sri Renuka, Balrampur Chini, all these stocks doing well. The management also spoke, regarding a positive industry development coming in. Do you think the sugar stocks is a good play, at least on a positional basis, or do you think this rally might fizzle out?
Well, we have seen it has been a commodity rally that we have seen, and it doesn't last too long. But yes, there could be possibility that this momentum may extend further as far as this space is concerned. Balrampur Chini is something that we are liking within this particular space for further upside move towards 580 to 600 in the near term. Not expecting any major upside, but yes, short-term pullback rate can be seen. So keeping a stop loss below 530, one can go long on declines in Balrampur Chini.
Okay, go long on declines for Balrampur Chini. Of course, next stock is Lenskart, and brokerages have turned bullish for this counter as well. What does the monthly charts actually suggest? I just wanted a little bit of positional and a monthly view on this counter.
Well, Sharath, we have a limited data, maybe 6 to 7 months kind of data we have available. But whatever chart that I can see. From a position perspective, yes, the setup is looking positive, but not advisable to chase at the current level, because there could be possibility you may get it at low price, maybe around 485 to 480. That can be a good entry point, keeping a stop loss below 460. From a positional perspective, in next 2 to 3 months, we can see counter moving towards a new record high as well.
Right, counter moving towards the new record high for next 2 to 3 months. Keep that eye on Lenskart. Another stock, Dr. Reddy's, important levels to track over here.
Well, pharma space as a whole, it's an avoid for the time being. We are, looking at a sectorial rotation as of now. So, pharma is a defensive play. We expect it to remain sideways. So, across all pharma counters, we expect consolidation to continue. Dr. Reddy, there could be a momentum pullback trade, maybe towards 1320 to 1340. Not expecting any major upside. But yes, if somebody is already holding a long position, can keep a stop loss at 1260 and stay put.
Right. So, all right, that's the end of the rapid fire round. Over to you, Hiral. What are the Google trending stocks suggesting?
Okay, let's look at what's trending in terms of Google trends today. It'll be interesting to see the names. For you, anyone's guess, it could probably be Bank Nifty or Nifty 50 as well, with the kind of sustainability that you're seeing in today's session. But interesting, Vedanta Power, which is a recent listing, is trending on Google Trends, 2.3%. is the kind of cuts that you're seeing on this counter. So no point taking a technical check with our analyst as well. But thank you so much, Nilesh, for joining in. It's always a pleasure to speak to you. In fact, let's just address the flashes at the bottom.